This is how to use a dryer. First, you need to have your washed laundry in the dryer. Then put a dryer sheet in with the clothes. Using a dryer sheet is optional. Shut the door. Now you need to select your settings. For normal, everyday laundry, I always set the temperature to medium or low if it's a smaller load. Next is the signal sound. I leave mine off, but you can turn yours on if you want your dryer to buzz real loud when it's finished. Then we have wrinkle control. Again, I normally leave this off because I get my clothes out immediately once they're finished, but you can turn it on if you want. And the dryer should periodically spin after it's finished for the set amount of time until you're able to remove your clothes. And it'll do this to try to reduce wrinkles. Now for the main control, my dryer has two different drying options, timed dry and sensor dry. You can use either one. With time dry, you just turn the dial to how many minutes you want the dryer to run for. I normally use sensor dry because it's advertised as being a smarter mode, and I put the dial somewhere between more dry and energy preferred, and I've always been told to turn this knob clockwise when setting it, not to turn it counterclockwise because apparently that can cause issues with some dryers. And before you start the dryer, you need to make sure the lint trap is clean so that your dryer can perform better. I recently removed the lint from mine, but if you have a bunch of lint, just take your hand and pull it off and throw it in the trash. To start the dryer, on some you'll need to push a knob like this. You'll push it in or pull it outwards. Or if yours is like mine, there should be a start button that you push like this. And now it's drying my clothes. When it's finished, if your clothes aren't dry enough, you can turn the dial again, but set it for a lower time, and you can open the door and check them periodically until they're dry enough. Each time you open the door, the dryer will stop, and to start it again, you simply push or pull the button like you originally did. When in doubt on which dryer settings, refer to the drying instructions on the manufacturer's tag on your clothing. If you want to pause the video, here's more info on each setting from my dryer's user manual. Please consider giving the video a like, and thank you for watching.